Let's be honest, gifting a bread making class gift voucher could feel a little underwhelming. You print it out, pop it in an envelope, and you really hope that excitement sets in when the recipient starts baking some delicious bread. So today, let me show you how to turn a bread making class voucher with the Epsom Bakehouse into a genuinely joyful and warm gift, one where the excitement starts before the class even begins. I'm Rhiannon, owner of the Epsom Bakehouse, and you can join me on my live and recorded online classes to learn step by step how to bake delicious fresh bread at home. Classes are friendly and fun and suitable for beginners onwards. Find out more about gift vouchers for all my classes in the link below this video. A bread making class gift voucher is a fantastic gift. It's practical and hands-on. You can learn new skills. It's a chance to be creative and discover new breads and learn to bake them. Plus, it's the gift that keeps on giving, and who knows, you may even get a freshly baked loaf of bread in return. But the magic can start way before the recipient even joins the class. This is a gift that starts when the recipient can imagine themselves baking that bread, making that dough, kneading it, shaping their loaf, and pulling a freshly made loaf from the oven. So instead of just a gift voucher, why not give the experience too? Here's 3 great ways you can gift a bread making class voucher to the budding bread maker in your life. First up, the Bread Baker's Starter Kit. Perfect if you're gifting a bread making class voucher to someone who's never baked bread before. Help them along the way with a few practical items. Ingredients, like there's a lovely bag of flour and some yeast. You could also include a loaf tin and also a dough scraper, a fantastic backup for any bread baker at home. To wrap your gift, you could include a lovely linen bag, not only great for putting all the items in that you gift, but useful later on for storing homemade bread in. Don't forget to include the gift voucher in an envelope inside your gift. Second, give your gift voucher with a home baker's bread journal and some other useful equipment. This is especially great for a home bread baker who's looking to expand their skills and wants to make notes, develop recipes, and keep all of her recipes in one place. Choose a beautiful notebook and some pens. And you could also include items such as kitchen scales and measuring spoons. You could also include a bread thermometer so you can check that your loaves are completely baked through. To gift, you can wrap these up in a beautiful tea towel, also really useful for the home bread baker around the kitchen. Don't forget to include your voucher as you wrap up your gift. Third, make that future loaf of bread into a real experience. Have your recipient imagine slicing into their first warm, freshly made loaf of bread and using it alongside all of these delicious items. You could include lots of different things, but for example, here I've got some flavoured oils, flavoured salts, some homemade jam, and some spices and chutney. You could also include things like a bread knife. Gift all the items in a bread pan, perhaps lined with baking paper or a really useful tea towel. Don't forget to tuck your gift voucher in at the back. Baking bread at home is not just about learning those practical skills, but creating something that you can share with friends and family. That's what can make a bread making class voucher such a meaningful gift. Turn that gift into something they'll really use and remember, and help them start on a delicious journey into home bread baking. Which of these 3 ways will you use to gift a bread making class voucher? Do let me know. And you can find out more about bread making class vouchers with the Epsom Bakehouse in the link below this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon again for another bread making tip with the Epsom Bakehouse.